I honestly appeal to read the Abnormal Pedagogy, special emphasis on mathematics and science. So this book is prepared by Midhupavan Gogoi and it is published under the Sanidhya Trust. It is a ebook available in Kindle Publication of Amazon. So why we choose the Abnormal Pedagogy? We choose the Abnormal Pedagogy instead of normal pedagogy. That's special case in mathematics and science subject. So there are various confusion in mathematics and science. Those create a dilemma among the students and they are very difficult to reach mathematics and science easily. So I just honestly input some abnormal pedagogies tools. Those give some privileges to understanding the mathematics and science subject. So if we see in a normal pedagogy, what is there actually? There is some teaching magazines, lesson plan, some learning outcome, summative assessment, formative assessments, maxims, objective of the subjects. These are some generally available in a normal pedagogy. But in abnormal pedagogy, we enhance the mathematics and science subjects. They have some lot of confusions. So abnormal pedagogy give privileges to reduce that kind of confusions or dilemma among the students to reach the mathematics and science. So hope the students, those are seeking a good career in a science stream, they can read this book very good manner. Apart from it, the teachers of mathematics and science, they can also read this book. Apart from it, those DTP operators, they also can read this book because they have inputs in a mathematics and science, give some scenarios. Those scenarios are generating lot of confusions. So I just give one example what may be a content of these books. See, just little hints about the content of this ebook. Suppose this questions is arrived this questions is in a class 6 standard. They solve the equation. So see here, they solve the equation y plus 5 equal to 9. So my questions is here. So this is the part. This is the part of this question may be considered as a student by a minus or a hyphen. What they are considered. So these are the some confusions generating in these questions. So suppose a student reads this part, he think that y minus y plus 5 equal to 9. But as per the DTP operator, they have considered as this one is not a minus, this is one is a hyphen. So what will we do this time of confusion? So these are the some confusions generating among the students because the minus sign and the hyphen sign is some similarities. If it is a minus, then how the students will be considered? the student will consider this one is a one part, this is a hyphen, and another student is think that this is a minus this one of the part. So I just give you some solutions of the two students copy input here. See, the question is solve equation. This is minus y plus 5 equal to 9. One student think this is a one part, and he is solving the equation this way and getting the value y is equal to minus 4. In another way, the student is thinking, another student thinking this is a hyphen and this part is a y plus 5 equal to 9. He think like that and he got the value of the y is equal to 9. So this kind of some problems we have to see in a mathematics or science subject. So how we have to resolve this kind of problems among the students? So this should be a clearly mentioned. I think this is not a proper question pattern of this question to ask the student. So this is not a proper question pattern. So the teachers are very conscious about this kind of errors. They make the confusions among the students. So abnormal pedagogy, special emphasis on mathematics and science, that books are actually trying to solve that kind of problems. Those are actually we as a teachers ignore, especially in the maths and science subject. Rest of the subjects, they are not problems, but mathematics and science, the minus science, plus science, multiplication science and division science, so these are the some different science we are using that generate lot of confusions among the students. So that's why we are trying to give a one solutions in abnormal pedagogy, special emphasis on mathematics and science, and hope the students and professionally teachers who are engaging in mathematics and science teaching, and those are the DTP operators who are engaging in printing process, they also read this book and hope it will generate such a good environment and conducive environment for the student to learning mathematics